Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today's the day. We're going to go drop this thing off, hop in the car right now, and go get this cam put in. One last thing we'll do is kind of a cold start. It's not really cold out. It's like 70 degrees, but cold start is what it sounds like one last time before we never hear it like this again. Not bad, but let's get to bigger and better things. Here at Rocky Mountain Competitive Research, so it's people who are doing the shop. I see the Durango, it's back there. What's up, dude? I got some parts here I gotta drop off. So. Alright, there she is, man. She's all ripped apart, dude. For sure. We're getting after it. We got the intake manifold off. The front's tore off. We don't quite have the heads off yet. But the radiator's out. So far it's looking pretty good. I wonder if they got the converter done yet. It's not looking like it. Nah, I just let it drain. That's what it looks like. So this is where we're at, guys. The front's ripped off, and we got the intake manifold off, and fluids are draining. Looks like what they have to do is pull the heads and get the cam out and everything like that. So, all right, man. That's what I got, and we'll stop back by in a couple days, see if they got more done. Peace. Yo, fam, what's up? Got the truck back about 2 weeks ago. Took a little bit to get this video up, but it's about to come to you. I had a crank seal and potential vacuum leak, so we replaced all the gaskets and we got that good to go. Here she is sitting strong in the garage. About to hit this cold start real quick, and then we're gonna go out and do some logs and some pulls to get you guys some audio of what this cam sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good. Let's check it out. Another thing I want to do for you guys, I'm gonna get you guys some revs real quick before we get out and hit these exhaust clips. So if I hit about 2,000, a 3,000, and a 4,000 rev, just so you guys can see what it sounds like. Alright guys, let's go get after it. done.